Hey guys, I'm still here. Hope you're here too. This is video 3 of the 5 construction videos. This specifically is constructing a perpendicular bisector. You can still follow this if they wanted just the midpoint as well. So this is the video for constructing a perpendicular bisector or just the midpoint. So what you should see in front of you is already a segment. So this is different than the last 2 constructions we did because you don't have to draw a ray first. You are going to work directly on your original figure. So you're going to take your compass. You're going to put the sharp part on A. And you're going to open your compass to more than half of the segment. I'm going to lock that in because we're going to use this setting in a second. So you are going to swipe above and below. So make it really, really long arcs. Okay, then keeping this exact setting, you are going to put the sharp part on B and point B. So do not change the setting of the compass. And then you are going to do the same thing you just did. You are going to swipe above and below. Whew, I did a little too much that time, but that's okay. What you should be looking for is the intersection over here and over here. So there should be 2 intersections, which conveniently will be in the center of your figure. So then your last step is to take your straight edge and you are going to draw a line that goes through both intersections. So here we go. I'm going to put the arrows on the ends of these lines. Again, I'm sorry it gets messy with this program. Really messy. And here we go. So this line here, we'll call this like line L. Line L is a perpendicular bisector for segment AB. So we know that this is a right angle here. If they just wanted the midpoint, it would be this point right here. So I'll say that's like point C. So point C, whoop. Okay, well that attached itself to the right angle. So here we'll pretend this is a right angle box instead. Here. Okay, this is just not helping. Anyway, we'll say that's point C. So that's this intersection right here. This is the midpoint. I tried to label it C, but it's giving me a hard time with this program. But if they just wanted the midpoint after you did all of this, you would still draw the line through it, and then you would just label the midpoint with whatever they wanted. So perpendicular bisector is line L. We have right angles. We just drew those in. And if you wanted the midpoint, that's point C, it would be right here where your perpendicular bisector crosses your segment. All right, guys, I hope this was easy and clear, and I hope you didn't have any trouble constructing it, and have a nice day. Bye.